Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I have a small kid who's 1.5 years old. At 1 year old, when she started walking, we all clapped and cheered her. You should see the happiness in her face. She was so much happy. That's when I realized appreciation is needed even for a small baby. Then what about our elder kids? They need more appreciation than for a small kid, right? So today we are going to talk about appreciating our kid. For instance, if a family friend or a relative visits your home and inquires about your child, what will be your reaction? Many parents start complaining about their kids to their own friends and relatives. They say the kid is so playful, he is not at all responsible. But do you ever wonder, the kid hearing this will feel happy? He will feel so much disheartened that he will stop helping. Instead, if you say like this that my kids always helps me at home, they are so much responsible and helpful to me, then the kid will start really helping their parents. That is the power of appreciation. Instead of blaming the child for everything, you start appreciating. For example, if your kid doesn't study or do well in his studies, just say like this. You are a very good child. Just put some more hard work in your studies, then you can create wonders. Instead, if you keep scolding him, he might have his book in his hand, but his mind will be lingering over something else. He will always think that my parents are going to scold me when whatever I do. They are not going to believe me. Then why should I study? This will be the thought in every child's mind. Instead, if you keep appreciating for every small thing they do, then kids will do much more better. It might be even a small work like cleaning up their toys or finishing their lunch. Please appreciate. Say a very good for your child for every little work he does. Very good is a magical word. It creates wonders. How many times you say very good in a day, that many times your kid will improve in his life. Yes, parents, please start appreciating your kid. Instead of scolding them, start appreciating them. Your kid will reach heights. Thank you friends. Meet you in the next video. Bye.